Now next interesting topic we are having compound and multiple angles. Now in this chapter, in this topic, what we are going to cover? We are going to cover trigonometric ratio of sum and difference of two angles. Okay. So I am just going through the formulas which we are going to use it. Now number 1, cosine. Now for cosines, it will be cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A minus B, difference of the two angles. Okay, it was sum of the two angles, now difference of the two angles. Now cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Now number 2, sum and difference for sine. Now for sine, sin A plus B, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Then difference of two angles, sin A minus B, sin A cos B, difference for cos A sin B. Next we are having for tangent. Now sum of two angles, tan A plus B. Now this is tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A tan B. Difference tan A minus B. Now this is equal to tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B. Now remember, you have to learn all these formulas. Okay. Then cotangent. Sum of the angles for cotangent. We are writing cot A plus B, it is cot A cot B negative of 1 upon cot B plus cot A, and difference of the angles, cot A cot B plus 1 upon cot B minus cot A. So these are the 8 formulas under 4 topics. Okay, so I recommend you strongly just make a chart for all the formulas and paste it on the top wall of your study table, in front of your study table, or you can say, okay, just paste it so that whenever you are looking towards the formula, either you want or not want, as soon as that is a human psychology, that if I am looking towards a thing, naturally my mind will read it. Okay, it is required or not, but your mind will definitely read it. Okay, so you have to make sure that all these formulas are learned by you.